Having family to share the good times, to share the work, to talk about values in life is just a great thing to be able to participate in. My name is Jake Wiebe. I'm farming here near New Bothwell with my wife Lorraine and our family, our daughter and son-in-law and their kids, as well as our son and daughter-in-law and their kids.
Technology has helped you. We can detach from the barn at times and still be able to monitor on our smartphones, and that has helped. We can be out on the yard with the kids and still be connected. This chart shows our water consumption versus the curve.
We know that the three things the animals need in the barn is air, feed, water. Air, feed, water, it's really a simple thing, sounds very simple, but if you manage those three well, they grow well, they perform well. We used to not be able to track what we were doing in the barn as quickly as we can today. When our kids were growing up, we did a lot of things together here as well, and so they enjoyed the work. They remembered the work as the good times. They're just trying to emulate the same thing for their families, and we're just enjoying watching this cycle repeat itself.
That was my dream. It was my dream to be a farmer. The background and the lifestyle. Hi, I'm Claudia.
Hi, and I'm Michael.
And we're the Woman family. We just go walk to the barn and we check on our chickens to make sure that they have access to food and water, and we check for the temperature if that's correct, and check the humidity, and just to make sure that our chickens are healthy and happy. They're running free with no cages. It's important for us to include our family in it, and just to get them involved and understand where chicken comes from.
That's actually a family going home, and they're going to cook a delicious meal and they're going to enjoy it amongst their family, and we take a lot of pride in that people are feeding their family, and it's a healthy source of protein.
Produced at home and stays at home.